Hey guys, we're gonna try Blue Diamond Extremes Carolina Reaper peanut almonds, and
that one's ghost pepper.
This one is ghost pepper. It's 3 heat levels, and this one is 4. This is the Reaper.
And that one's the ghost pepper. Also, this is what it says on the top.
Alright, we're gonna try.
Mark.
Each one gonna try. Let me make sure you can see, because you may have to lower down some.
Yeah,
alright, we're gonna try the ghost pepper.
I gotta get down to her level.
That's what they look like.
Oh, June's. Rookie mistake putting all your ships at the edges. Everyone's an expert, huh? Well, I'm happy to give you tips, but we gotta go. The opera starts in 30. I ain't too into opera. I'm not. June's is actually the opera lover. No, I'm blaming my dad. I actually got the tickets.
Not hot.
Well,
I could feel a little bit.
Excited to go. I have been all day, actually.
No, the Reaper.
Yeah, really. I mean, I slept really badly last
I have not tried.
Just saw 3 hours of nap time.
Whoa.
The seats are very plush.
He took the thing off so we could see what they look like. They really coated.
Yeah, you can feel. Yeah, that. Yeah, that.
What are you thinking?
You can feel that.
Nothing. Well, actually,
Is it hot?
The what I freaking ate is, I'm not used to eating stuff like this. I'm more of eating hot Cheetos. Nah. Reaper.
She's crazy, you know? Makes it happen at work.
Yeah, you're a hothead. You like this stuff.
It's good. Heat level.
No problem.
It's doable.
I'll give it a 2.
I'm gonna deal with this. Okay?
This, a goose egg. The ghost peppers, goose.
Those that are not used to spicy stuff shall not eat those.
Alright, you guys, love you. If you like it, put down in comments. Have you ever tried it? Put down in comments.